Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about how do I know if I am fertile enough to get pregnant? In general, the older you get, the lower your chances of getting pregnant, because both the quantity and quality of your eggs dip. 1 in 5 people in their 30s successfully conceive when trying to get pregnant, but just 1 in 20 people in their 40s are able to. However, if you are a healthy, regularly ovulating person who's still at least 5 to 10 years away from menopause, pregnancy is a possibility. An OB/GYN or fertility specialist can talk with you and examine you to better assess and provide guidance for improving your reproductive health. How can I boost my ovulation naturally? Most people with periods ovulate once every 21 to 35 days. If you have a longer cycle and want to ovulate more frequently, or an irregular cycle and want to ovulate more regularly, talk to your healthcare provider about safe ways to do so. If irregularities are linked to being very overweight or underweight, a registered dietitian can help develop a healthy eating plan that may get your cycles back on track. Research suggests that if you have polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, a common cause of irregular or absent periods, consuming most of your daily calories at breakfast can help you ovulate more frequently. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.